another cooking video and we are going to cook adobong atay ng manok. My favorite. I need 500 grams of adobong atay, garlic, onion. Ako lang nagdadagdag nito kasi I like it in my adobo. And pepper to taste. So we're gonna do that. So we are gonna chop these. Okay, ang next step ay, dahil ready na ang ating ingredients, we are going to saute the garlic and the onion. Tapos, kapag okay na siya, we're gonna add the liver. Let us do that. Can I just say, nag-lashes pa ako just for this cooking video. Panoorin niyo to. Hindi kasi kita eh. Alam mo, hirap na ako. Ano ba daw, Mike? Okay, after, kapag nasaute na natin yung garlic and onion, we are going to add the chicken liver. Hindi ko alam if pwede siyang hugasan or like tanggalin yung mga fluid or whatever. Pero tinanggal ko. So, ilalagay na natin siya dito and we're just gonna pan fry it until its color changes. Tapos later, we're going to add vinegar. And while waiting for that to cook, we are going to saing. Magsasaing tayo ng kanin. We are going to saing. Sasaing tayo ng kanin. According to the recipe I'm following, I have to, once it boils, I just have to stir it and then I'm gonna add liquid seasoning and then pepper. Tapos na. Pero feel ko, parang it's too sour kasi vinegar lang. So later, we're gonna try to work around it with adding water para mabawasan ng konti yung asim. So, hindi ko pa alam. We're going to try if it tastes good. It's too vinegary. Nagdagdag ako ng liquid seasoning. I hope that helped. Ang alam ko kasi, my mom, sa amin, we like it kapag mas matamis yung ulam. So, I'm gonna try to add a pinch of sugar lang. Bawasan lang yung asin. Wala akong laurel leaves, but voila, this is adobong atay, I guess. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you, Lord. Ano ka dyan? Ang sarap. But again, it's more on the sour side of adobo. Kasi nga vinegar yung ginamit. Like maraming vinegar yung ginamit. Before kasi like naglalagay lang kami ng vinegar and ng toyo. Tapos more on water yung laman. Pero ito, binoil natin siya sa vinegar. So, medyo mas maasim. But, it's really good. Okay, we're done cooking. Grabe, all sweat. And tanggal na yung lashes ko dito. It's good. I'm so proud of myself. I'd like to thank the Academy.